massive loads, extreme conditions, and unstoppable machines. Join us as we take a deep dive into the world of forestry. Welcome to Titan Tech. Wow, that truck is fighting the mountain with a massive load of timber. The sheer power and skill it takes to navigate a rough, dusty road like that is insane. That suspension and torque must be working overtime to keep those logs steady. The way this Tiger Cat self-adjusts to the terrain is something else. The balance, the traction, the hydraulic finesse. It's like it has a mind of its own. Modern logging is all about control, and this machine is the captain of its own fate. Not every truck is brave enough to face these roads, but the Scania R380, it devours rough terrain, its robust suspension system keeping things smooth, while its powerful engine roars through. It's like a steam locomotive on wheels, unstoppable and full of brute force. Need powerful grip and precision handling? This rotating log grapple turns your skid steer into a mini grapple skidder, lifting, moving, and stacking logs like a pro. Built tough in Canada, ready to tackle any terrain. If you handle logs, you need this beast. These logging trucks are true beasts of the forest, hauling massive timber loads through rugged terrain with unstoppable power. The roads around Constitution are no joke, but these machines were built for the challenge. When raw power meets precision, nothing stands in their way. Between the rugged landscapes of Lozère and Cantal, Sylvain lives and breathes logging. Through narrow mountain paths and endless forests, His truck becomes an extension of himself, mastering every curve, every slope. It's not just a job, it's a way of life, filled with passion, skill, and respect for the timber industry. This machine is built like a tank but moves with the finesse of a pro operator. The advanced traction control ensures no wheel spin, even in the sloppiest conditions. And with a fuel-efficient engine, it gets the job done without wasting a drop. When it comes to versatility and raw power, the Serco 8500 is in a league of its own. Whether you're stacking timber, moving scrap, or handling heavy-duty materials, the 8500 gets the job done with precision and speed. Watching this Volvo wheel loader in action is like seeing a seasoned lumberjack with a steel grip. Strong, precise, and built for the toughest tasks. With its high-lift boom, powerful hydraulics, and unmatched stability, it stacks logs onto that pallet like a true pro. Through the rugged mountain range of San Miguel de Cruces, this log truck isn't just hauling timber. It's dominating the terrain like a warrior. The swirling dust, the winding roads, the sheer weight of the load. It's a scene straight out of an action movie. Celine the Comtois draft horse moves logs with care and precision, ensuring minimal impact on the delicate southern damselfly habitat. Unlike heavy machinery, she glides through the terrain without tearing up the land, proving that sometimes the old ways are still the best ways. Now that's a beast built for the long haul. The Kenworth W900, nicknamed Oreo, if you're serious about moving timber with ease, this new and improved log lifting arch is your best friend in the woods. With a 4,500-pound winch and a 10,000-pound snatch block, this thing grabs logs like a steel hand and makes loading feel like child's play. Good job! It's like watching a herd of mechanical dinosaurs moving with unstoppable force, processing timber with speed and precision. The OMTL 70-02 manipulator isn't just a machine, it's a log handling powerhouse. With its high torque hydraulics and precision controls, it grabs, lifts, and stacks timber like a giant's hand at work. Whether you're loading massive logs or working in tight spaces, this beast doesn't break a sweat. That log truck is giving it everything it's got. Heavy load, rough terrain, no excuses. When you talk about serious logging power, this machine is the real deal. With its high-torque engine, reinforced hydraulic system, and precision-controlled grapple, it turns the toughest logging jobs into a walk in the park. The automated functions take care of the heavy lifting, while the rugged frame eats rough terrain for breakfast. This truck was made for logging, period. A high-capacity suspension, off-road tires, and an ultra-strong frame make it the ultimate choice for transporting timber. The torque-heavy engine keeps it moving even when fully loaded, making sure no log is left behind. The T40AM isn't just a tractor. It's a battle-hardened warrior on wheels. No mud, no snow, no rough terrain can hold this beast back. When it's time to break through, the T40AM doesn't hesitate. It dominates. The TT4 isn't just a machine, it's a force of nature. Watching it power through that brutal terrain like it's a Sunday drive is something else. Strength, durability, and pure muscle. This beast was built to conquer. These roads separate the real beast from the rest. Only the toughest trucks and the most skilled drivers can handle terrain like this. It's not just a drive, it's a battle against the mountain itself. Balancing is tough, but moving something massive with an 8-horsepower tiller, it's all about skill, precision, and a whole lot of patience. Now here's a technique that's turning heads in wood carving. The precision of a router machine, especially with this door design, transforms wood from a mere material into a canvas. For those of us in the industry, this isn't just carving, it's like sculpting from the roots of a tree itself. Check out this amazing wood splitter. Say goodbye to manual chopping. Now we have machines to do the heavy lifting. At just 1,600 euros, the Sakak Jarva is a fantastic option for anyone serious about their woodwork. I'd love to hear from others who've tried it. What's your experience like? Wow, did they actually believe this would work? Even a semi would be testing its limits. The creation of an electric chainsaw mill is a testament to modern woodworking innovation. By addressing the challenges of material strength, the builder has elevated the machine's capability with upgraded mild steel clamps. What a machine! The John Deere 1110E is truly impressive, especially on those challenging slopes. At $350,000, it's definitely an investment. But for anyone who deals with rough terrain regularly, the durability and performance could justify the cost. This sounds like something out of an action movie. One machine after another stuck in the swamp, and the trackhoe comes in for a heroic rescue. When heavy equipment is at the mercy of the terrain, it's a battle of strength and patience. Hats off to the crew for handling it like pros. They really showed that with skill and determination, they could pull off a swamp miracle. The Camox G275 is built tough, no doubt about that. After years in the field, you learn to appreciate machines that can handle the elements, and this 6WD powerhouse does just that. It's like having a bull by the horn, strong and unyielding, even in the roughest condition. The Mower Max Boom Mower is not just a machine, it's an experience waiting to happen. With its impressive Cummins engine and state-of-the-art controls, it feels like driving a luxury vehicle while tackling the wild outdoors. When you're deep in the forest, having the right equipment makes all the difference. Enter the Ponce Forwarder paired with the Nisula 425C head. It's like a forest operation in one seamless package. I've witnessed it firsthand. This machine can fell, process, and load all without swapping attachments. The NCU3 control system ensures optimal grip force, adjusting dynamically to the task. It's not just powerful, it's intelligent. This setup takes multitasking to the next level, saving both time and money while delivering top-notch results. Seems like the predictions hit the nail on the head. This house could use some serious attention. This machine's got power written all over it. The Valmet 425EX with the Quadco 22 head and solid Cummins engine is more than a fella buncher. It's a game changer for logging pros. Its heavy-duty hydraulics, recent replacements on track pumps, and main boom cylinder rebuild mean it's not only tough but primed for action. Extra lights, heating, and AC round out a setup designed for the most extreme conditions. If reliability and control are what you need, look no further. The John Deere 600-48H with tracks that follow the tires is a powerhouse setup for forestry work. This configuration provides extra traction and stability, ideal for navigating challenging, muddy, or uneven terrains where traditional tires might struggle. Tracks enhance the 648H's ability to maintain grip, reduce ground pressure, and improve flotation, allowing it to operate efficiently, even in soft soil. With this setup, the 600-48H doesn't just move through the forest, it dominates it, ensuring that even heavy loads are manageable and stable on all types of ground. Local contractors in Wyoming often use large tractor-mounted or telescopic hedge trimmers, which allow for precise cuts and reach across wide or elevated hedge sections. Regular hedge cutting not only keeps properties looking tidy, but also ensures clear visibility on rural roads, helping to maintain safety and accessibility throughout the countryside. The RTD 3026 isn't just another loader, it's a marvel of industrial engineering. Packing 31 tons per load with modular grapple options is incredible for any operation handling timber. Designed to go all year, this beast tackles the heavy lifting around the clock. A real game changer for anyone looking to boost productivity without skipping a beat. That's some serious staying power. Feeling in control is an illusion when it comes to trees. So glad his protective gear kept him out of harm's way.
Almost.
When a job demands reach and raw power, look no further than the Westech T4000. Its 6.2-meter working range, combined with a robust lifting force of 1,550 kilograms at full extension, means it's ready for the big tasks. Ideal for pairing with grapple saws and clamshell grapples, This telescopic stage is all about enhancing flexibility on the field. Reliable, strong, and equipped to tackle the tough jobs, this is an attachment that proves its worth time and again. Another great one in the books. Let us know your thoughts below, tap that like button, and make sure to subscribe for more action-packed videos. See you next time.